Hi, and welcome to today's video. I'm going to share with you my Thrifting Challenge watermelon theme haul today. Let's get started. Before I share my haul with you, I just kind of wanted to share some reasons why I have shifted kind of my focus on this channel. I believe that there are a lot of good things about buying pre-loved, and I just wanted to share those with you. So first, it's kind of like a treasure hunt. It's fun to go garage sales to estate sales, thrift stores, anywhere you can find pre-loved items and just hunt around. It's so fun to see what you can find, and to me it feels like a treasure hunt. Another reason, it's a means of reducing, reusing, and recycling. Whatever you find, you could just reuse it as it is. You can upcycle it into something different. And it's just, a good way to help out the environment. So I like it for that reason as well. I also like that it's more budget friendly than buying new. There's been quite a few times where I have found items that are basically new. They bought it and maybe used it once or twice. And so it's a lot cheaper to buy it pre-loved than buying new. Although I don't buy everything pre-loved. I do buy some new items, but for the most part, if you can do a majority of your items this way, it is a lot more budget friendly. I also like that the money can stay in your community. If you go garage selling, it definitely stays in the community or an estate sale. Most of the thrift stores help charitable organizations, and so it's a nice way to help out your community in those ways as well. And my final reason is it kind of helps you develop your personal style. If you go to the store, I do enjoy the store. But typically, everything is stylized. There's a seasonal style that they'll put out, and what you buy is kind of within whatever style's in the store, which I can appreciate that too. But it's quite fun to go to the thrift store or buy pre-loved items and, curate your own collection and your own style in that way. And so it's kind of fun for that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy buying pre-loved items and kind of understand my love for it. And now let's get into today's haul. All right, I'm excited to share my haul with you. So we're gonna start with the first prompt, which was Pretty in Pink. And for this project, I got this globe, and it was $4.79. But I kind of liked the quotes it had on it, and so this gave me an idea to resurface this and do something similar but with pink. And then here, you might remember this from a strawberry project, but I had this onesie, but the pink and these black little polka dots just remind me of watermelon seeds, and so I plan to use some of this fabric with this. And so this, I can't remember how much it cost, but it's coming in handy for two different projects with two different themes, and so I would say it was a good purchase. So that is what I have for the first prompt. The second prompt is polka dot, and for that one I have these campfire mugs that I got from a thrift store. And I want to say it's been a while. They've kind of been sitting on a shelf. Sometimes I'll find something pretty cheap and I'll pick it up and just know eventually I'm going to get to use those. And this was one of those. I want to say they were 50 cents or $1 each. So I have these. And then I have permanent vinyl. I have it in black. This is kind of a matte. And then I have a shiny rose gold, and I'm just trying to decide what kind of polka dots I would like on these. I don't know. I'll probably stick with black just because it's the same color as watermelon seeds and it's a little more neutral, I suppose. But I had this on hand and I pulled it aside, and I mean I have both of them on hand, but I couldn't decide if I wanted to try to use this up, but I'm not sure that I like it, so I'll probably go with the black. But there we go, that's for prompt 2. Okay, and then for the third prompt, which is watermelon print, I had picked up this dress a while ago because I knew I had this theme that for a thrifting challenge, and I saw it and I was like, oh, I will use that. But I like this little pink bubble ribbon, I guess that's what I'll call it, and then the pattern is just really cute. So I'm going to reuse this fabric to make something that is not a dress that will have a really cute watermelon print. And the final prompt was something to wear, and actually I couldn't quite decide while I was shopping. I was in line, and while I was shopping I had these white shorts in my hand, and I was going to try to attempt to tie-dye them or dye them, recolor them to be watermelon print. And then I saw these sunglasses, which sunglasses were kind of what I was wanting to go for. I really like that idea on Pinterest. And I love that these were already pink, like a really nice shade of pink for watermelon, I think. And so I'm going to use some more of this black permanent vinyl. I'm going to do some seeds to make these look like watermelon sunglasses. And I just think that will be cute. These were $2 something. They weren't quite sure because the tag was missing. I need to clean these up. And so they just sold them for $2 something, and I thought that was a good deal. So there we go. So here you go. This was my haul for this week's thrifting challenge. The theme is watermelon. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not following, please follow. And keep an eye out for the next video, which will be the projects video. I show you how to make the projects I did, and I rank them, and it's just a fun video, and I give it honest rating. You know, not all projects turn out great, so sometimes that's interesting too. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye.